So I'm a single mom and I'm running a small business, which means that I really have to be efficient with my time. Here's how I'm able to successfully keep up with my preteen daughter's hair care and still squeeze out enough time to wash my own. So welcome to my salon. I picked up this handy bar height fold-up chair from Amazon and it just fits nicely behind my couch when I'm not using it. This booster seat so that our head can reach into my kitchen sink. And then I just placed some padding on the counter for comfort in the form of a folded up towel. Don't forget your hair catcher in the drain. We don't want any plumbing issues. Of course, everything is going to be linked below in the description box. Oh, and there's the princess herself. Hey, Oya. So I still wash her hair right in the kitchen sink, but now she's too big to lay across the counter. So this salon setup has saved my life so that I don't have to break my back washing her hair in the shower. Okay, so step one, I thoroughly clarify her hair. I'm squeezing the Melanin Haircare African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo into her scalp. Applying the products onto her scalp with the nozzle first just guarantees that the soap will get through any tangling and will actually reach her scalp since her hair is so thick. Olivia loves getting her hair massaged. As much as she complains when I tell her it's time to wash her hair, I see those eyes closed when I'm working that shampoo in. Don't fight it, sis. And I always cleanse her hair twice. The first washing kind of breaks through the dirt and product cast, if you will. And with the second wash, you'll notice that the hair really starts to condense and accept that shampoo, so you're able to get a really nice thorough cleansing. And if you notice, as I work the product in, I'm pulling it down from the scalp, making sure I'm always repositioning the curls downward to reduce the tangling. So we're thoroughly rinsing away all the shampoo and I'm applying the conditioner in the opposite way that I did the shampoo. The shampoo is applied scalp first and then the ends. Conditioner is ends first and then the scalp. Well, not really the skin on the scalp, but you know, the hair at the scalp, so the roots. I'm using the Melanin Haircare Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner, which I use as her rinse-out conditioner to help condition their hair after shampooing, balance her pH, and it's an awesome detangler. If you guys were missing it, it is back in stock, so you can pick it up there right in time for the holidays. And I'll also be adding it as her leave-in conditioner for added long-term moisture as well. You can also use it as a deep conditioner. Olivia's hair doesn't need to be deep conditioned as often as mine does, but if you are in need of a deep conditioner, the Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner is amazing for that as well because it's full of proteins and it's got bamboo extract. It's hydrating and strengthening. Now I'm applying the Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner a second time, starting from the ends and then working upwards again, the exact same way as before. Making sure that I'm working the product through from ends to roots, but this time I'm leaving the product in so it can function as a leave-in conditioning treatment. Squeezing out the excess water, and then I wrap her hair in a turban using my extra long and absorbent Luxe t-shirt hair towel from Melanin Haircare. This is gonna help absorb the excess water so it's not dripping down her back. And as an added bonus, the t-shirt material is able to absorb the excess water without further tangling or causing her curls to frizz. And now the queen has her crown. I don't wanna make this video too long. This is just how I wash her hair. Be sure to come back for my next video where I'm gonna show you how I style her hair so that she's able to rock different hairstyles throughout the 2 weeks without it causing a ton of stress on myself or her or being overwhelming to my individual schedule. And she's still able to look cute and wear her hair in different styles. So be on the lookout for that video next. And be sure to check out melaninhaircare.com this holiday season. We put together some awesome holiday bundles to help save you money on holiday shopping. And if you ever had your eye on any of our luxe or custom items, it's the perfect time to grab a deal. Thanks for watching, guys. Olivia and I will see you in the next one for styling.